66 onwards. Now in the first one, what is the information we have? There are some 12 people. Now these 12 people, A, B, C, D, F, M, N, O, P, Q, and R, and they have their exams either on 12th or 23rd of 6 different months. How many months we have? 6 months. Either 12th or 23rd. Now in this one, either 12th or 23rd is given. Let us start with Jan 12th or Jan 23rd. And what are the other months we have? Feb and April. Feb 12, Feb 23rd, April 12 and April 23, and May, June and July. May 12th, 23, June 12th, June 23, and July 12th and July 23. Hence, we have some 12 persons. And they have exams in these 12 different dates. Then in this, coming to condition number 1. Yes, what is the information we have? And D has an exam on 12th May. D 12th May is clearly given. And only 2 people have exams between D and F. F is before D. F is before D, only 2 persons between D and F, and this F must be on February 23rd. And next one, and F's exam is before. E has an exam on 12th of a month having less than 30 days. And less than 30 days, that is, E has an exam on 12th, hence it must be February 12th. And there you go. And next one, 2 persons have exam between F and A. Now in between F and A, there must be exactly 2 people. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. A can be before or A can be after. Hence A is after here, E, F, and this is D. And exactly 2 in between whom? And 2 persons between F and A. Not only one option. And 2 persons between F and A. Here A and A cannot be in the same place. And there is only one possibility here. And next one, P and O have their exams in the same month but not in April. Now P and O but not in April, and this P and O either in the month of June or in the month of July. And next one, but not in April, 1 person has an exam between M and O. Now in between M and O, there must be exactly 1 person, and O and P must be in the same month in any order. And M's exam is before O. M's exam is before O, M and O. M's exam is before O. Now in between M and O, we need to have exactly 1 person. And there you go. And we need to have exactly 1 person. What are the different possibilities we have? Macroeconomics, M, O. And here M is before this O. And 1 person between M and O, M's exam is before. C has an exam in the month of June. Now C in the month of June, and N and B have exams on the same date. N as well as B. And 2 people have their exam between C and R. Now between C and R, there must be exactly 2 people if C is here. Now 2 people between C and R is not possible. And C cannot be at this place, C must be here. Now if C is here, now 2 people between C and R, 1 to R can be here or R can be at the last. Isn't it? Then O and P must be in the same month. O and P cannot be in the month of April, cannot be in the month of June. Hence it must be in the month of July. Now out of which July, if O is here, now between M and O, there must be exactly 1 which is not possible. O cannot be here. O is here, M is here, and P is here. Then M and O, there is exactly 1, O and P. Then coming to this one, and 2 people have their exam between C and R. Now in between C and R cannot be here. 2 in between C and R. And next one, and N's exam is before B. N's exam, N and B exams on the same date. N and B on the same date, then N, April 12th. April N is not possible because 12th is not vacant. All the remaining 12s were filled. Hence N is here. Now if N is here, that is Jan 23rd, and B is here. And who is the person left over? 1 more person that is left over is Q. Q must be here. Now this is about the 12 persons. How many people have exams between N and Q? Now in between N and Q, there are only 2 people. Choice 2, question number 66. And 67, who among the following has the exam on 23rd June? Now June 23rd, M choice 1, 67. And 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. R, C, Q, M, B. R, C, Q, M, B, R and Q. Isn't it? One is on 12th and another one is 23rd. R is 23rd, Q is on 12th. And C is on which date? C is on 12th. M and B. Now M is on 23rd and B is on 23rd. And so there are 3 23rds and 2 12ths. There is no logic in this. None. Then if you check out the months, R is R, April, and next one C, and C is June, and Q, April, M, June, and B. Now whatever this B is May, except B. And the remaining 4 have the months of 30 days. The next one, which of the following statements are true? Q has an exam immediately after R. Q immediately after R is false. And M has an exam on 12th of June. That is again false. M is in 12th of June is false. O has an exam immediately before P is false. One person has exam between R and B. That is definitely true. Choice 469. How many persons have their examinations after B? There are 4 persons. Choice for question number 70. Clear? Then 71 onwards, they are based on inequalities, the relation between L and A. L is here, A is here, 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. And G and B, G is here, B is here, which is G and B, and 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. Hence, what is your answer? Neither one nor 2. Choice for question number 71. Then coming to this 72, A and H. Now A equals to H, yes, it is A equals to H is straight away given. And next one, H and B. Now in this H and B, now H is here and B is here. Isn't it? H equals to A, hence in the place of A, you can write it as H. Now H greater than V is definitely true. Hence, what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice for 72. Now in this 73, A and L. A is here, L is here, L lesser than or equals to A greater than or equals to L. And the relation between W and J, W is here, and where is this J? J is here. The relation is JP, and which element is common here? D is common. Now D2 and W and J. And D to J, D greater than or equals to J. And at the same time, W and D, D lesser than W, W greater than D. And there, hence 2 opposite symbols, so no relation, only one, choice 173. Then next one. And 74 onwards, now it is based on row arrangement. How many persons? There are only 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they are facing towards north. And there is only one person between O and U. But that person is not, that person is neither W nor V. And there is exactly one person between O and U. And this person is not W and V. And next one, neither N nor V sits at any one of the extreme ends of the line. And U sits between P and N. N who sits on the immediate left of O. N is on the immediate left of O. O is here. N is on the immediate left of O. But whereas, and U sits between P and N. P and N. N who sits on the immediate left of O. N sits out to the right of W. Now if W is here, N sits out to the right of W. N is out to the right of W. W is not an immediate neighbor of O and M. W is not adjacent to O and M. Clear? W is not adjacent to O and M. And in the same way, and M who sits out to the left of P. Now this M is seated out to the left of P. And out to the left of P, P who is an immediate neighbor of W. Now P is an immediate neighbor of W, isn't it? P is an immediate neighbor of W. P can be either this side or this side. And they get how many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. Hence M blank WP is one possibility. And in the other case, 5, 6, 7, if M is here and 2 people between M and P, P is here, W is here. Now if W is here between W and N, N is second, third to the right of N. Is it possible in the second case? No. Hence in this case 1, 2, N is at this place. If N is here, O and N are adjacent to each other, isn't it? And N who sits on the immediate left of O, N is on the immediate left of O, O is here. Then O is here, N sits to the immediate left of O. Now we have left with 2 more persons. I mean, ever migilipoyaru cheppanడి. And there is only one person between O and U. Hence U is here. Now if U is here, the person left over is V is here. Done with this? and one person between O and U, but that person is neither W nor V. And next one, neither N nor V sits at any one of the extreme ends of the line. U sits between P and N. And N who sits to the immediate left of O. N sits out to the right of W. W is not an immediate neighbor of O. And M who sits out to the left of P. P who is an immediate neighbor of W. P is an immediate. U sits out from the right end of the line. This is the crucial information. U is third from the right end of the line. Now 74, who among the following is third to the right of P? Third to the right of P is O, choice 2. Then, who among the following sits at the extreme? Extreme ends of the row, M and O. M and O, that is choice 5, 75. And who among the following sits to the immediate left of V? M, that is choice 3. And which of the following statements is true? O is to the immediate left of M, that is false. M is second to the left of W, is definitely true, choice 2. 77, it is choice 2. And next one, 2 and 3 could on the get, then we need to check out 3. The person who sits exactly between W and M is V, yes, 2 and 3, choice 4, 77. Then in this 75, what is the position of W with respect to U? W with respect to U, second to the left. Second to the left, choice 1, 78. And 79 onwards, they are based on syllogisms here. And in this, only a few SRBs. Only a few SRBs means some SRBs, but not all. కొన్ని ఏలు మాత్రమే బీకి చెందుతున్నాయి, అన్నీ కాదు. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎంటైర్ ఏ కెనాట్ బి ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బి. దిస్ ఎంటైర్ బి కెన్ బి ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, బట్ నాట్ ఏ. And next one, all B's are C. This entire B is a part of C, B is R. And only a few C's are D's. Only some C's are D's, but not all. And first one, some A's are D's. No intersection. Some C's are yes, definitely. And it's only two, choice 2, question number 79. And 80, and only B's are C's. Only B's are C's means this entire C's are a part of this B's. Now this C's belongs to only B's. Clear? And this C's belongs to, and no B is D. No B is D means no intersection between B and D, and some D's are A's. And no D is C, definitely true. And next one, some A's or B's is a possibility. Some A's or B's is possible or not? Yes, we can able to write like this. And so what is your answer? Both follow. Both 1 and 2, choice 4, question number 80. Then 81, no cake is what? Cup. Now the relation between cake and cup. Now this is cake and this is cup. No cake is cup. Only cups are pan means all these pans are a part of this cup only. All pans are a part of this cup. And all cakes are soup. Now this entire cake is a part of soup. Some soup or cup. Some soup or cup is false. And no soup is a cup is true. As no soup is a cup is true, to make this one false, then we need to draw some soups or cups. So let draw it. Some soups or cups is true. Hence, no soup is a cup is false. Some soups or cups is true. Hence, what is your answer? Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, choice 5, question number 81. Then in this 82, there are some boxes. How many boxes we have? 8 boxes. And they were stacked one above the other. More than 4 boxes below. More than 4 boxes below what? More than 4 boxes are below to you. Below to you, more than 4. More than 4 and 10 రావాలి చెప్పండి. And a 5, 6 or 7. Isn't it? Either 5 or 6 or 7 below this U. And at the same time, P is immediate to above to you. As P is immediate to above to you, hence more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us take at least 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 were done. Now we have left with one more. Is okay possible. Or if P is at the beginning, U is at the second, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so how many possibilities we have? Exactly 2. And then more than 4 boxes below to U, P is immediate above to U, and number of boxes above to P is same as below T. Above to P there is 1, and below to T there is 1. And now in this one, above to P and below to T, they are 1 and the same. Above P 0, below T 0. And 2 boxes between T and H. 1, 2, H is here. Now in this one, 2 in between T and H, H is here. And C is immediate above to N. C is immediate above to N, C is here and N is here. C is immediate to N, and S is above to H. and S is above to H but not to K means S is below this K. And S is above to H and but not to K. Now S is above to H, S is here, but below K is not possible. Hence S is above H but not to K. K is here, S is here, and who are the remaining two here? C is immediate to N. C is immediate to N, C and N were like this. And the order is PU, KS, HC, NT. Is the final order PU, KS, HC, NT. Now in this, and which box is second from the bottom? Second from the bottom is N, choice 3. And what is the position of box C? Box C is third from the bottom. Third from the bottom, choice 4. And how many boxes are there between N and K? Now in between N and K, there are only 3 boxes. 3, that is choice 3. And next one, 85. 85 to 88, 87. Now these are based on coded directions. Now in this one, at the rate of means P. Now in this one, we are talking from P to Q only. The first element is P, the second element is Q. And E percentage, number as it is given, E percentage D. Percentage stands for what? 10 meters. And towards which direction? West. Hence E is 10 meters to the west of D. Hence the distance between E and D is so much. The distance between E and D is 10 meters. And E is to the west of D. E is to the west of D, D dollar. D is to the north of C. North means what is the distance we have? D is to the north of C, the distance is 15 meters. And next one, D is to the north of C, C hash. Hash means C is to the east of B. And C is to the east of B and the distance is how much? Distance is 30. And C is to the east of B, the distance is 30, up to here it is 10, and this would be 20. And C is to the east of B. And next one, B at the rate of A. B at the rate of A means, at the rate of stands for what? B at the rate of A, at the rate of stands for south, and B is 25 meters to the south of what? South of A. And A is here, and this is B 25. Now up to here this is 15 and this would be 10. Then, now this is not 85, this is question number 85. Then if XA, X hash A, hash stands for what? Is. If X is to the east of A, then from D, how far is it in which direction from X? And X is to the east. East means what is the distance we have? 30. Now from here it is 30 meters. Now from here X is 30 meters. Now this is equals to this one. And so D, C and they were in the vertical straight line. Now the distance between DX is equivalent to this one, that is 10 meters. And D is which direction from X? D is south, 10 meters south, choice 4, 85. And 86, what is the direction of point A with respect to E? A with respect to E, in order to reach to A from E, first towards north and west. Northwest, choice to 86. And D at the rate of. D at the rate of stands for D is to the south of F. What is the distance between B and F? D is to the south of F. And what is the shortest distance between? If D is to the D at the rate of means south. Now if D is to the south of F, then what is the shortest distance B and F? And B and F, tell me where can we have this D? And D at the rate of F1. As D at the rate of means D is to the south and the distance is almost 25 meters. Now the distance is 25 meters, D is to the south of F and the distance is 25 meters means F will be somewhere here. 25 meters up to here, this is 10 and this would be 15. Now the distance between B and F. Now we need to find out the shortest distance. Now what is the total distance? 15 plus 25 plus 15, that is 40. And 40 and 30. 40 and 30 and 3 square plus 4 square, that is 5. 50 meters, choice 2. Now the shortest distance between these two is how much? 50 meters. And 88? And 88 onwards, they are based on set of numbers. 4 is added to the second digit of every odd number. And 2 is subtracted from the third digit of every even number. Now how many numbers correspond will the third digit be greater than second? 4 is added to the second digit of every odd number. 4 is added to the second digit, this is 8. And 4 is added to the second digit, 5. And 4 is added to the second digit, this is 9. 4 is added to the second digit of every odd number. 2 is subtracted from the third digit of every even number. And 2 is subtracted. Then in how many numbers are formed will the third digit be greater than the second digit? Here, third digit is lesser. Here, third digit is equal. Here, third digit is equal. Now, third digit is greater, 3 and 4. Now, third digit is lesser. And see now how many numbers it is happening? Only 1. That is choice 2, question number 88. Then, if 1 is subtracted from all the digits, all odd digits in all the numbers, 1 is subtracted from all odd digits means this is 240. And next one 724 means this will be 624. And 1 is subtract, this is 804. And next one 536, it will be 5, 4, 2 and 6. And next one this is 2, 4 and 2. Clear, 1 is subtracted from each of these odd digits. And which of the following numbers will the difference between the first and the third digit be more than 3? Difference between first and third more than 3, that is ruled out. Here difference is so much 2. Here difference is so much 4. Yes, it is more than 3. And 4 and 6 difference is 2. And here 2 and 2, 0. And see now how many numbers is happening? Only 1. What is that number? 804. Now this 804 and you 804 you are getting from where? 915. 915 choice 1, 89. And then coming to question number 90. If all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, that means this is 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the numbers are arranged in the descending order from left to right. Which are the following will be sum of all the 3 digits of the number, which is second from the right. And second from the right, second from the right is nothing but 4. Now 3 plus 4 plus 1, what is the sum of the digits? 8. 8 choice 2, question number 90. Then 91. If in each number all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, in each the digits are arranged in the ascending order within the number, and what will the difference between the lowest and the highest? And lowest or the highest, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 3, this is 2. And which is the highest? 356 is the highest. And lowest 134 and 159 and 134. Now the difference between these two, 6 minus 4 is 2. Last digit 2, choice 5. Then next one 91. 92. The positions of the first and the third digits if each of the numbers are interchanged. What will the resultant if first digit of the highest? And first and the third are interchanged means 1 and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 3. Last digits are coming to the first place. Among this and highest number. What is the highest number? Now 519 is the highest. Sorry. And the highest number is 635. Is the highest and is divided by third digit of the lowest. What is the lowest number here? 134. 134. Now what will the result is? The first digit of the highest number 6 is divided by the third digit of the lowest. What is the third digit of the lowest here? And 134. 134. And 143. Yes, these two are interchanged. As these two are interchanged, 143. Now third digit of the lowest is 3. Now 6 divided by 3, 2, choice 5, question number 92. Then in this 93, condition based. Now in all these 3 conditions is comparing from the first and the last itself. First is a vowel and the last element is a consonant. Vowel and consonant, then the consonant is coded as star. Consonant is star. Both first and the last elements are vowels. Vowel and a vowel. Then the first vowel is to be coded as third. First vowel, first as third. First must be third. And if the group of element does not contain any vowel, all consonants, then second element is to be coded as the code for the fifth. Now second as fifth. Indicate information. Then OL, TZ, SC. O is a vowel, vowel and a vowel. First as the third one. First as the third. What is third one here? T. What is the code here? Hash. First and the third must have hash and hash. Among the given choice, first and third hash and hash given in which choice? 4 and 5. Now, between these, which element is different here? Last element, let us check out. They are different. Last element is A. What is the code? This A? 8. Choice 4 is ruled out. Choice 5 is the answer. Then 94. Now in this 94, PD and QWK. That means there is no vowel at all. And it fall under last rule. and second letter as fifth. Second and fifth we need to have same. That means W. W's code is plus. Now second and this one plus and plus. And second from the left, second from the right, it must be plus and plus. And this is ruled out. And this is ruled out. Now we have left with only 1 and 3. Now between these two, now let us check out the first element. And what is the code for the first? And the code for the first one is P. And what is the code for P here? P is 4. And P is 4. And it is given in choice. What's happened? And 95. Now this 95 EZK NAL. EZK NAL vowel and a consonant. Then consonant must be coded as star. And consonant, then the consonant is to be coded as star. And the last element must be star. Among the given choice, last is star 1 and 3. Then check out the second element which is different. What is the second Z? What is the code for Z? 3. Hence 3 is ruled out, 1 is the answer. And next one 96. First and the last are vowel and vowel. And first as the third, the code for P is 4. And 4 and 4 must be in the first and the third, ruled out. Now here, and this is ruled out. Then check out second element is common, fourth element. Then fourth element is W. W's code is plus, this is again ruled out. Then if you check out the last element O, O is percentage, this is ruled out, 3 is the answer, 96. Then 97, PLZ QTK. And first and the last are consonant. All consonants. Second as fifth. And fifth one is what? T. That means second and the fifth must be hash and hash. Now hash and hash are the first and the fifth. And you are left with 1 and 3. Then compare the elements. Third element is different. Z's code is 3. Choice 3 is ruled out, choice 1. Hence 97, it is choice 1 is the answer. Then 98 to 100. Now in this one, it is based on blood relations. R is the brother of K, can be written like this. And U is the father of both K and S. Now this U is the father of these two persons, K and S. And S is married to C, S and C are a married couple. And C is the daughter of Z, C is a female, S is a male, daughter of Z, Z is here. And Z is the wife of D, Z and D are married couple, Z is a female, D is a male. And how is R related to C? Now C is a husband's brother, brother-in-law, choice 298. How is S related to D? Now D is daughter's husband, son-in-law, choice 299. And if P is the only child of K, and P is the only child of K, how is P related to U? Either grandson or granddaughter, because the gender is not known, choice 500. Now in this 61, numbers starting with 6 and ending with 6,000. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Product or combination or difference? Combination. Combination 6 into 1 plus 1. 7 into 2, 14 plus 2. Into 3 plus 3. Into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. Into 5, 1040 plus 5, 1045, choice 1. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 1. Then 62, 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 23. 23, choice 5. Difference between the numbers are consecutive numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 63, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. 5 cube, 125, choice 3. And 64, and 4, 6, 12. Now 4 and 6 into 1.5. And 6 into 2. And next one into 2.5. Into 2.5 is how much? 30. 30 into 3 is 19. And the given numbers are multiplied with into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5, into 3, into 3.5, and so on. Then 65, 18 plus 3, and 21 and 16, minus 5, 16 plus 7, minus 11, 3, 5, 7, prime numbers. And next one, plus 13, minus 17, 25 minus 17, 8, choice. Prime numbers are added and subtracted alternately, 65. That's it.